Great Smoky Mountains are among the oldest mountains in the world, formed 200 to 300 million years ago. They have been undisturbed for over a million years. During the last ice age, glaciers covered most of North America but did not reach the Smoky Mountains. This made the mountains a refuge for many species of plants and animals.
People have occupied the mountains since prehistoric times. The Cherokee Indians were the first people discovered there by the white settlers in the 1700s. The earliest settlers in the area lived off the land by hunting, utilizing the timber for buildings and fences, growing food, and pasteurizing livestock in the clearings. Eventually, communities sprang up, and people began to live in a typically rural fashion.
The Great Smoky Mountains get their name from the smoke-like fog hanging amongst their peaks that results from 85 inches of rain a year and evaporation from trees. The upper levels are classified as temperate rainforests. Some 100 species are native to these mountains, more than in any other North American national park. About 95% of the park is forested, 25% of that being old growth. There are 1,400 additional flowering plant species and 4,000 non-flowering species. Animal life is also very diverse, with hundreds of species of birds and dozens of species of mammals, fish, reptiles, and amphibians.
Between 8 and 10 million people visit the Great Smoky Mountain National Park every year, making it the most visited national park in the country.
The Great Smoky Mountain National Park offers over 800 miles of maintained trails for hiking, backpacking, and camping. Other activities include fishing, wildlife viewing, and scenic auto touring.
In addition to wildlife, the park is home to 78 historical structures, including mills, churches, schools, barns, and homes that preserve the cultural history of southern Appalachia. The park can be enjoyed in every season. In winter, the lower elevations receive snow only a few times a year, and it usually melts within a few hours. The absence of leaves makes the views crisp and clear. In spring, the park is full of wildflowers and flowering trees. Summer visitors can enjoy the mountain balls, streams, and waterfalls. And autumn visitors will enjoy an array of colors as the leaves change.
The Great Smoky Mountain National Park is a sanctuary for animal and plant life and historical buildings, all of which is protected for future generations to enjoy.